Good morning, friends. I'm waiting for a candidate to come for FCI interview, FCI manager interview. I'm expecting that candidate to come for the interview. Yeah, but I think the performance of FCI candidates has not been bad. They are doing very well. And I have posted, I think, minimum 10 videos. I'm not sure. I must have posted so many videos already there. I'm just now talking like this so that I want to gain time so that he can come. That is the reason. But of course, for succeeding in any interview, what is required is only your confidence. You must be able to talk with authority. You must be able to talk with, say, force. And at the same time, you must be able to convey your points. Yeah, I'm waiting for the candidate to come. Yeah. See, actually, when we talk about this FCI, certain thing that comes to my mind is about the people appearing for interview. They must be thorough with about us. They must be thorough with what are the different points given under about us. And in that itself, they should be thorough with objective, board of directors, code of conduct and ethics, citizens charter of FCI. Even reading that will be of use. So likewise, I am of the view that candidates must be thorough with all these things. Yeah, now the boy is coming. The candidate has come and is joining. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Shubham, Meena. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I am good, sir. How are you?
Fine. Very good. Happy to see you. Very bright
Same here,
face.
sir.
Very bright face. That too.
Thank you, sir. Thank
The
you.
first session for the day and the morning. Good. Shubham, Meena, you are from which state?
Sir, I am from Rajasthan, Jaipur district.
Which part of Rajasthan?
Sir, Jaipur.
Jaipur.
Pink City.
Yeah. Good. Now, as you know, in any interview, आपको this question is a must. Like say, आपका बारे में बोलो, and
Yes, sir.
you have applied for which zone?
Sir, North Zone.
North zone. So your interview is likely to be mostly in Delhi or what? No idea.
Noida. Noida.
Noida. Good. तब तो, yeah, 1 minute. I'll just come. I'll just take coffee and 1 minute.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, Noida. So Noida means normally you can always, I mean, it can be in Hindi or English.
Yes, sir.
You can communicate in Hindi or English. Other than that, is there any other language separate in Rajasthan? Rajasthani language ऐसा कुछ है?
Yes, sir. There are so many local languages, but they will not be conducting interview in local languages. They will be conducting mostly in English or Hindi.
Hindi only. Good. Now, can
Yes,
you
sir.
please tell me about yourself? Imagine this is a group of 8 or 9 directors from FCI sitting before you, and you
Yes,
talk
sir.
to me introducing yourself.
Sir, there I will be giving interview in Hindi. So shall I proceed in Hindi?
Yeah, absolutely no problem. आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं,
Okay.
कोई चिंता नहीं.
Okay, sir. सर, मेरा नाम शुभम कुमार मीना है. मैं जयपुर राजस्थान से बिलोंग करता हूँ. मेरे पिताजी का नाम श्री कैलाश नारायण मीना है. वो SBI में ब्रांच मैनेजर है सर. सर, मैंने एकेडमिक में काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है. लाइक 12th क्लास में 94% मार्क्स सिक्योर करने के लिए मुझे CBSE से सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ मेरिट मिला. उसके बाद 2016 में सर मैंने बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स से ग्रेजुएशन किया राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी से. उसके बाद सर मैंने कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी करी और फिर मैं अभी यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू के लिए आया.
Excellent. Now, only question is, so far, you scored 82% in 10th class,
Yes, sir.
and you scored 94% in your, what is that, +2. What
Yes,
were
sir.
the subjects you studied in +2?
Sir, major subjects were political science, history, and economics.
Okay. Besides English and आपने physical education कुछ लिखा, ऐसा भी होता
Yes,
है?
sir.
Physical education
Yes,
also
sir.
is there? Yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
is also a subject.
Yes, sir.
Physical education consists of only theoretical or practical?
Both, sir. 60 to 40 ratio.
अच्छा, तो practical में क्या questions देगा आपको?
Sir, we have to select a game. Like my game was basketball, so they
Oh,
will ask from there.
you have to participate in the games.
Yes, sir.
First time, to be very frank, I am in this teaching for so many years. First time I'm hearing physical education as a subject in +2, and that too usko practical test being conducted. Very nice.
Yes,
You are
sir.
really great. So you were interested in basketball.
Yes, sir.
I'm a layman. I don't know anything about basketball. Basketball, उसका बारे में आप थोड़ा हमको बता सकते हैं? How that game is played? Imagine I have not seen it earlier. You will have to describe that. Yeah.
Okay, sir. सर बेसिकली बास्केटबॉल में आपके पास एक बॉल रहेगा, एक बड़े साइज का, उसके बाद दीवार पे एक रिंग रहेगा, अप टू एक हाइट पे रिंग रहती है, उसके अंदर आपको वो बॉल को डालना है। अगर आप उसमें बॉल को डाल के उस रिंग में से पास हो जाएगा तो आपको पॉइंट्स उसके लिए मिलेगा। जो 2 टीम रहता है, जो ज्यादा पॉइंट स्कोर करेगा वो विनर रहता है।
अच्छा, शुभम मीना, here improvements you can make is, आपने बड़े बॉल बोला, instead you
Yes,
can
sir.
say what is the measurement of the ball. आप जानने से बढ़िया है.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the rough weight of that ball? Rough.
Yes,
Exactly
yes, sir.
बोलने का जरूरत नहीं. इसका अलावा
Okay.
you have to tell what is the distance between the two poles. आपको नहीं
Yes,
जानते.
sir.
I know you don't know. You have not thought.
Sir,
You are not prepared about it. What is
yes,
the
sir.
distance between the two poles, and what is the normal height in, say, important matches they keep? At what
Yes, sir.
height this basket is kept? समझ गया?
Right, sir.
These things you have. From which country this basketball game started? Any idea? I think
USA.
while talking about general awareness, I came across a father of the basketball. There is one who found basketball. He is actually
Yes, sir.
from Canada. He died recently.
Okay.
Perhaps you are not aware about that. I
No.
may not be able to tell you immediately. You can get that. Good, very good. You are talking very confidently. Your subjects were economics, political
Political
science,
science
and history also. History
Yes,
also.
sir.
Achha, you were a bright candidate scoring 80%. Then why did you opt for this arts subject in your +1, +2?
Sir, actually, to be quite frank, like किसी भी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करने के लिए सर ओनली बेसिक ग्रेजुएशन इज नेसेसरी, so there is not any specific reasons for choosing arts, but I was interested in this subject, so that's why I chose arts.
I think the second answer is better. Instead, you can as well say, though I was scoring above average marks in, say, maths, physics, chemistry, and all, मेरा
Yes,
interest
sir.
था to go for arts. ऐसा बोल दीजिए.
Okay.
I had an
Okay,
interest
sir.
towards art, and I thought as an individual, one has to know more about arts, and plus um, with a degree in that also, we are eligible. One is eligible for appearing for any good jobs. So इसलिए I
Right.
took that. This can be second point.
Okay,
Good.
sir.
Very good. That's nice. Now, you studied graduation, BA, political science, history, and economics. Same subjects,
Yes.
and there
Yes,
you have
sir.
scored 65.8 only. What made you score less?
Sir, actually, in university exams, the maximum marks scored will be around 75% only.
Oh, maximum they give you only 75.
Yes, sir.
That's right. That is the reason why you have scored very less. It's okay. कोई बात
Yes,
नहीं.
sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, Sharma, tell us about your family. आपका family के बारे में बताओ.
सर मेरे फैमिली में मेरे पिताजी हैं, वो एसबीआई में ब्रांच मैनेजर हैं. माय मदर इज हाउस मेकर. वी आर 2 ब्रदर्स एंड 2 सिस्टर्स. मेरी बड़ी बहन है, उन्होंने एमएससी किया है. छोटी बहन ने सर बीटेक किया है, और मेरा छोटा भाई है, उन्होंने भी बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स से भी ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया है 2019 में.
Excellent. Good. Now normally bankers का लड़का लड़की वो लोग बैंकिंग में भी ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेंगे. आप
Yes,
एफसीआई
sir.
में आपको क्यों इंटरेस्ट लेने का? What is the reason?
सर पर्सनली आई डोंट लाइक बैंकिंग काइंड ऑफ जॉब. मुझे थोड़ा ऐसा जॉब करना था जो फील्ड लेवल का जॉब हो, जिसमें इंटरेक्शन हो, और जिसमें एक सेटिस्फेक्शन मिले. तो फूड सिक्योरिटी में अगर फूड ग्रेन्स टाइप का जॉब करके थोड़ा इसमें सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है.
I think it is better to avoid this answer because if you tell like this, my next question will be why you don't like banking.
यस सर.
इसको इससे बाहर आना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. ट्राई कर लो. Why
यस सर.
uh, why you don't like banking?
सर बैंकिंग पीपल से जब भी इंटरेक्ट होता है, दे विल टेल इट्स वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, स्ट्रेसफुल, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स वी कम टू नो.
अच्छा. इसका अलावा the answer can be like this that my father has been is a branch manager of SBI, and
Yes, sir.
most of the times he is appearing to be stressed, maybe right or wrong. आप ऐसा reason बोलना है. He is appearing
Yes,
to be
sir.
stressed because of the nature of the work. Not that it is not good, but the pressure comes from different parts of different aspects, like say head office, politicians, staff members, and all that. And it is not that I don't want to take up responsibility. हमने सोचा it is good to work in an organization like FCI, which is directly linked to the life of the individuals. Not that banking is not linked. FCI is directly linked to the life of the people because we are giving food. We are supplying public distribution system, food supply to the people. So इसी वजह से हमको an organization like FCI may be good. I thought.
Yes,
That is
sir.
why I thought. Then the next question
Yes.
can be, have you applied for AG3 post and all that?
No, sir, I did not.
You did not apply. Why? You
No,
thought
sir.
you have to become only a manager and not AG3.
No, sir.
Correct?
Actually, I did not know about that vacancy, sir.
That's good. It's a good answer. I wasn't aware about that. That is why. Now they can tease you by asking, are you applying for other public sector undertakings?
Sir, yeah, I appeared for other exams also, like NABARD I have appeared, and banking exams like IBPS and SBI I have appeared.
Very good. Did you succeed up to interview level in any of them?
No, sir, I could only qualify prelims.
Very good. Excellent. Good answer. Now tell me, you are an economics graduate or economics student,
Yes, sir.
political science student also. So what is the present position of politics in our country? Evaluate the present political situation prevalent in our country.
Sir,
Very
there
tough
is
question.
multiple.
Very tough question.
Yes,
I don't know how you are going to manage. Come on, try.
sir, I will try to analyze.
Yeah.
Sir, India follows multi-party system. So, but there are two major parties, BJP and Congress, which will be coming to power one after the other. Current ruling party is BJP, and this time most of their members are like leaving the parties, so it is creating a turmoil kind of situation. So, like they are trying to just secure the members to gain like position in the house.
This question will certainly come for you because one, you are a political science student.
Yes,
Two,
sir.
Rajasthan is in political turmoil.
Yes, sir.
So this question will certainly come to you, and you must be able to manage that aptly. I think you managed it well, and I'm happy about the point you said about multi-party democracy and all, and also these two parties are the major powers. These 2
Yes,
points
sir.
are really good. Now that's good. Now, many
Yes, sir.
people do not go for voting in the elections. What is your view
Yes,
regarding this?
सर गवर्नमेंट क्या करता है कि मैक्सिमाइज वोटिंग को करने के लिए वोटिंग को हॉलीडे पे रखता है और वोटिंग के दिन को हॉलीडे रखता है ताकि पीपल जाएं, लेकिन बट पीपल गिव प्रेफरेंस टू देयर पर्सनल वर्क्स लाइक जॉब काइंड ऑफ थिंग, दे विल डू दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग, और मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर इग्नोरेंट आल्सो, दे विल थिंक दैट वो ये सोचते हैं कि कोई सा भी पार्टी आए वो हमारा भला नहीं करेगा, so people think in that way, that's why they don't go to voting.
In fact, government declares holiday also. On the voting day, they
Yes,
declare holiday so that
yes,
people do not abstain themselves. Did you exercise your franchise?
yes sir, I have voted.
Acha? How many times? 2 times or 1 time?
Sir, one time only.
1 time only. Good. How old are you?
Sir, 25.
25. Good. Excellent. Now, tell me why FCI should give priority for Sharma and take you. And this name is quite common, you know. That is why, you know, I asked you, are you this boy, that boy? This name is very
Yes.
famous. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me why FCI should select Sharma.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's Shubham.
Sorry, Shubham. Shubham Sharma,
Yes,
na?
sir.
No, only
Shubham
Shubham.
Meena.
Shubham Meena. Yeah. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Shubham Meena.
Not
I'm
an
very
issue.
sorry. Yeah. I'm
Not an
confusing
issue.
with that Sharma. Yeah, Shubham Meena.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Why?
Yes, sir.
And this Meena name is more or less a girl's name in South India. I don't know what
Yes,
it
sir,
is.
I know.
In North India, Meena लड़की का नाम होता है?
Yes,
नहीं.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Many people have taken me as girl just because of that surname.
Yeah. शुभम मीना बोलने से तो नॉर्मली वो लड़की का भी समझेगा.
Yes, sir.
Did you ask your parents why they kept this name for you?
Sir, it's surname here. It's a caste.
अच्छा,
Meena
surname
a
is
caste.
Meena. Your
Yes,
surname
sir.
is Meena. और आप लोग का
Yes,
फैमिली
sir.
में मीना आएगा.
Yes, sir. Everyone.
Oh, Meena Agarwal na क्या? No. There
Sir,
must be a
sir,
normally
Meena is scheduled tribe.
scheduled tribe. Achha. Good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Very nice. So Meena. Now I understand about Meena. Yeah, 1 minute. Just a minute. I don't know who is calling.
Yes, sir.
Hello. சொல்லுங்க. ஆமாமா, எங்க வீட்டு வாசல்ல லைட் எரியல. அந்த ஆமா, அதாவது அந்த வேப்ப மரம் மேல பாருங்க. Yeah, you know, this is about complaint given for light, you know. The light was not
Okay.
burning, common light. So
Is it fine now?
no, I think they will attend to it. They will attend
Okay.
civic services. Yeah. Now
Okay.
We were stuck up in which question? Can you remind me?
Why FCI should hire me?
Why FCI should hire Shubham Meena?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have performed very well in academics. It clearly shows my dedication, hard work, and commitment. Sir, I like to work in team. So that's another point. Sir, my father is in SBI Bank, so I have knowledge of finance also. And sir, I have stayed in Delhi also, so I have good communication skill in both English as well as in Hindi. So it will definitely work to deal with laborers and other staff. And sir, we know that most of the work of FCI has been done online, like it has to be done on computer. So I have done course in diploma in computer, so it will definitely going to help in my work.
Acha, you have done diploma in computer.
Yes, sir.
Hello. டிசில்வா ரோடு எதிர்க்க அந்த பிள்ளையார் கோவிலுக்கு எதிர்க்க ரோடு வருது பாருங்க. இல்ல பிள்ளையார் கோவில் எதிர்க்கா இருக்க ரோட்ல வந்தீங்கன்னா அந்த ரோடு முடியிற இடத்துல ஸ்ரீ பாலாஜி பிளாட்ஸ் இருக்குது. நடேசன் காலனி, தேசிகா ரோடு இதெல்லாம் சேர்ற இடம். அது வாசல்ல பாலாஜி பிளாட்ஸ் இருக்குது. அது வாசல்ல இருக்குது. நான் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு ஆபீஸ் வேலையில இருக்கேன், நீங்க பாருங்க. I had to tell him that I'm in a meeting. Now, so you have you have been in Delhi, and you say that any other reason that makes you more suitable for this post? Because you know this FCI post, you might have seen nowadays, even engineers, say so many people are applying. Engineers, postgraduates, they are all applying for this post. Amidst that, in what way are you more suitable for this?
Sir, this I have applied for manager depot profile. So, उसके लिए I don't think there is any expertise is needed for that. Just basic graduation, basic common sense, उससे काम चलता है. अगर expertise needed होता तो वो अपना जो notification होता है उसमें जरूर mention रहता.
Now tell me, what do you think are the responsibilities of an FCI manager?
Yes, sir. FCI depot manager is the overall in charge of a depot of a single godown, or he may be given the charge of 2 or 3 godowns at a time. Sir, he has to like hire the laborers according to contract labor act 1970, and he has to allocate duties to them. He has to allocate duties to departmental staff also. He has to like keep the safety of the food grains in good condition. He has to like liaison with other parts like railway also. Then सर दूसरा जो डिपार्टमेंट का लोग होता है क्वालिटी चेक मूवमेंट, उनके साथ भी कोऑर्डिनेट करना जरूरी होता है ताकि हम फूड को सेफली मूवमेंट करवा सकें और लोगों तक पहुंचा सकें.
Correct. So how many zonal offices are there in our FCI?
Sir, there are 5 zonal offices of FCI.
And how many regional offices are there?
Sir, regional offices in North Zone there are 10 regional offices.
Okay. Totally, you have any idea how many?
No, sir. Total, I don't have any idea.
Total, you don't know. I think I read somewhere
It's
some 185 or some such thing.
Oh, okay.
In one interview, also I told about so many numbers with some trainings center and all that. Now we have to check because I'm doing with Coal India also. I'm getting confused. So we have 1 minute. I can help you find out.
Sir, I don't think it will be one above 100.
No. North Zone. Listen. North Zone.
Yes,
North Zone में आपको Delhi region, Punjab region, Haryana region, HP region, UP region, Rajasthan region, Jammu and Kashmir region, Uttarakhand region. Then East Zone, West Zone, South Zone, North Zone. Acha. We can add this.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. East Zone 4, 12. West Zone 4, 16. South Zone 5, 17. And Northeast Zone में 5. कितना हुआ totally?
Sir,
hello?
Around
22 or so, something like that only. It's okay. Yeah, and the website also tells more about Institute of Food Security. Do you know something about Institute of Food Security? You have not seen that?
Sir, yes, sir. It is in Gurugram.
Achha, you know that?
It's an institute. It's an institute for training of the selected candidates.
Good. I think if you are selected for FCI, you'll be under training for 6 months first.
Yes,
previously I came across some other post stating that people will be given 6 months training, after which only you'll be posted to your offices and all. Good.
Yeah, right.
Very good. Now tell me, now coming to personality related questions. You told me why you should be selected for FCI. Can you tell me some more strengths of yours which makes you think that you are more suitable for a manager post in FCI? Some more strengths of, yeah.
Yes sir, जो मैनेजर होता है सर, द मैनेजर शुड लाइक वर्क इन अ टीम, लाइक वो जो अपने अंडर में जो लोग होता है उनसे काम करवाना है सही तरीके से एज पर द रूल्स, पूरा लाइक सुपरविजन करना है दैट वर्क इज गोइंग एज पर द प्लान। सर कोऑर्डिनेशन से काम करना होता है सर, वही है। और अपना सुपीरियर है वो, ही शुड बी अ गुड गाइड, उसका भी बात को फॉलो करना है, वो भी काम करना है।
Good. What are your weaknesses?
Sir, weakness, everyone has weakness. There are very minor weaknesses, but that will not affect my professional work.
Can you tell what is your weakness? I know you try to avoid it, but as a person in the interview, we will not allow you to go away. Tell me what is your weakness. Unless they ask, you don't have to tell normally. Yeah, tell me.
Okay. Sir, if my work is not done on time, then definitely I will be little bit tensed.
Oh, good. Say when the work is not done properly, or you can also say when I work along with as in a team also, when other members do not perform the job fully well, I get tensed and I'm aware of this. I'm trying to overcome that situation. I have decided that instead of getting anger or instead of getting upset, it is better to find the reason why it is not being done and to solve
Yes,
that
sir.
reason so that the work is done. समझ गया?
Right, sir.
Good. अच्छा हुआ. What can you offer FCI that someone else cannot? What can you offer FCI that someone else cannot? These are very tricky questions. But
Yes, sir.
yeah, try कर दीजिए. आप क्या दे सकते हैं?
Yes, sir. Actually, I will be posted in depot, so I have to take care of the go down. Sir, we very well know that the present utilization of the capacity of FCI is 85% only. So हम क्या करेंगे कि उस जो स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी का यूटिलाइजेशन उसको इंक्रीज करने का कोशिश करेंगे, ताकि जो FCI का जो लाइक प्रॉफिट है वो थोड़ा ज्यादा हो और जो बेनिफिशियरीज को है वो भी लाभ ज्यादा मिले।
Good. Can you tell me what are the main objectives of FCI?
Yes, sir. The long-term vision of the FCI is to secure food security of the nation. So to meet that vision, there are three objectives FCI follows. First is like public distribution system. Second is to price support to the farmers through MSP. And third is to maintain buffer stock of the food grains.
Excellent. Good. Now coming to your state, Rajasthan. Who is your chief
Yes, sir.
minister?
Sir, presently it's Shri Ashok Gehlot.
Yeah. Who is a governor?
Sir, Shri Kalraj Mishra.
Very good. Who is the minister in charge of agriculture in Rajasthan? Any idea? Perhaps you have not studied.
Sir, I'm not sure, but it must be Shri Ramesh Meena.
Okay. Now, you please get to know about number one, about your state agriculture, state
Yes, sir.
finance, state cooperation, then also what else? Center may relating to agriculture, everything you must know. Who is the minister in charge of agriculture in center?
Sir, Shri Ramvilas Paswan.
Ram Vilas Paswan. Who is the agriculture minister? Somebody else.
Sir, that one only I told. Minister of
Only
Agriculture.
Ram Vilas
Okay,
Paswan.
agriculture.
Ah.
No, sir. Agriculture is different.
Some Tomar na.
हाँ.
Agriculture some Tomar. So आप थोड़ा कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स का बारे में भी आप सीख लीजिए. नॉर्मली हम लोग उतना पढ़ते नहीं है. कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स का बारे में भी हम लोग सीख कर रखने से बढ़िया है. And especially those ministries which are dealing with FCI. What are the ministries with which FCI has to interact? Any idea?
Sir, FCI, it comes under Ministry of consumer affairs, food and public distribution.
Correct.
Sir, it has to like coordinate with the Ministry of Railways for movement of food grains. It has to like coordinate with Ministry of Agriculture also.
Yeah.
These are the
So-
two main ministries.
Yeah. Now, perhaps you may not be ready now. You have to know about union cabinet ministers, more especially related to this agriculture, food distribution, etc. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
you will be competing with agriculture graduates, agricultural engineering graduates who have better idea about agriculture and other things. So you must compensate to that extent. समझ गया?
Right, sir.
The
Right.
only way you can compensate that is, tell me, what are the different ways in which FCI is now helping our country in this corona situation?
Yes, sir. We can very well assess the work of the FCI that even during the lockdown period, FCI has carried out operations every single day. सर पिछले साल अगर अप्रैल से जुलाई में हम देखें कि बेनिफिशियरीज को ओनली 200 लाख टन लाइक फूड ग्रेन्स उनको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया गया है, बट दिस ईयर इन द सेम पीरियड अप्रैल टू जुलाई FCI has distributed 360 lakh ton of food grains. There is an absolute increase of 80% is in its distribution. So that's how
Okay.
FCI is helping the beneficiaries.
Can you tell me what are the normal functions of depot staff? Excuse me, did you come across that manual on FCI staff manual, depot manual? देखा नहीं देखा?
Yes sir, I have seen, sir.
अच्छा, उसमें दिया है what are the normal functions of depot staff?
Yes, sir.
Assistant manager depot in charge is the controlling authority of the depot for implementing policies, program, procedures issued by the district officers and higher officers. He would ensure depot operations start at the prescribed timings. He would maintain strict control at the gate for proper maintenance of records, conduct regular surprise checks to maintain operational efficiency, to supervise, direct, guide, and coordinate the work of operations, to exercise close control over all storage and movement operation, distribute the available staff labor to most optimum manner, ensure control storage transit losses, to deal effectively with outside parties like state government, civil supply corporation, railways, other agencies who lift stock from FCI depots, to ensure timely submission of daily periodical statements, to control and fix security points accordingly, allot watch ward postings. He would receive prescribed daily receipts, daily issue daily evening stock position, to maintain depot premises in spick and span and tidy condition, to ensure welfare measures for staff and labor working in the department, ensure proper placement of weeding out of old records as per instruction, maintain keyboard in his control for placing keys of various sheds, ensure deposit of duplicate keys of the godowns and cash chest in district office, maintain safe custody of cash checks, then laborers working at depots and a departmental system, direct payment system to take care of them. In respect of contract laborers, standing instructions on the subject, ensure certification of LWB scales, weights every year for getting it stamped by government authorities. बहुत कुछ दिया है.
Yes, sir.
Could you follow? इसमें से पूरा बोलने का जरूरत नहीं. I think these points are important. Number one, weight. That weight, the weight to be certified by the state government authorities. Security to be taken care of. Then say proper movement of goods and proper allocation of work. These points may be relevant. Can you try out
Yes, sir.
what are the duties of a depot staff? Okay, can tell me
First,
briefly.
we have,
Yeah.
So depot manager has to supervise overall working of the godown, which includes like whether proper weights are used or not, which are certified by the state government. Then there are departmental work as per the guidelines. Then food grains are kept, security of the food grains he has to ensure.
So likewise,
So
some more
that's
points also you can add. You kindly practice yourself later on for adding
yes,
some
sir.
more points. I know. But
Yes,
see, whenever in an interview, we cannot expect all the questions we can answer. It is not necessary for us to answer all the questions. Some questions we may not answer. And that should not make us feel bad. समझ गया?
yes, sir.
आपको face में immediately I could recognize that you were not comfortable. That is the routine way in which we behave. But वो बाहर में मालूम नहीं होना चाहिए. Like one boy, I have posted a video of FCI Tanjavur video boy. He did not answer many of the points, but हर time हंसते रहते थे. समझ गए आपको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Similarly, one Haryana boy also. Haryana is a different area altogether. So likewise,
Yes,
आपका facial recognition में मालूम हो जाता है. थोड़ा carefully manage कर लीजिए. Good,
yes, sir.
very good. Then do you have any question? This is only preliminary interview. I can go
Yes, sir.
into further details of FCA and ask later on. Now tell me,
Yes, sir.
do you have any questions?
Sir, not as of now. I will try to work on the inputs given by you.
Yeah. So it's not that you have done really well. I will give you minimum 8 to 9, 8.5 to 9 out of 10. But
Thank you, sir.
in FCI interview के लिए कितना weightage है?
Sir, it will be given out of 10.
Out only 10.
Yes, sir.
Oh, the main exam के लिए कितना मार्क था? 200.
Sir, 120.
120. अच्छा,
Yes,
ये
sir.
120 plus 10 करेगा और 120 को 90% करेगा. Any idea?
Sir, 120 will be like 120, and this interview marks will be converted to 100 level, I guess.
Oh, 10 also. Then later on they will
Yes, sir.
convert. Even
Yes,
without
sir.
whether you convert or not, also the implication may be the same. Good. What?
Yes,
How many
sir.
marks are you expecting in the written test?
Sir, 90 plus.
Good. What do you think would have been the cutoff? Did they tell you the cutoff?
No, sir. They haven't.
You don't have any idea about cutoff.
No, sir. They have not released it yet.
Yeah, that's okay. Fine. You have done really well, and
Thank you.
you are one among a very few students who opt for face-to-face direct interview, and you have done that very well. Yeah.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sorry I have asked some questions where you were not able to answer easily,
Sir,
but
that's
ऐसा ही
totally
होना
fine. It
चाहिए.
will help. Yes,
It will
sir.
help you.
We should.
It will help you
Yes,
to come
sir.
over the fear. That fear has to be overcome. समझ
Yes,
गया?
sir.
आपका पिताजी
Yes,
का
sir.
बारे में थोड़ा बताइए. Tell me good points of your पिताजी.
Sir, first and foremost point is he is a well-wisher to everyone. Like even to strangers, he will go beyond the limits to help anyone, like seeing in some kind of distress situation or someone may be needing help. And he's like a good father. He will fulfill all his duties towards his like family members. These are the two qualities I like the most.
Yeah, one helpful nature.
Yes,
And
sir.
you can also add some more points like say showing more affection and
Sir.
number 3, if at all you want, you can add that he will not pass on his personal worries to children, something like that.
Yes, sir.
Because your estimation is from the angle of a child or a son.
Yes, sir.
So Bhagar, of course, that is also there. Yeah. Fine. You have done really well.
Thank you, sir.
8.5 out of 10.
Okay, sir.
Uh, um, were you uncomfortable in some places during this interview? In some
Not at
questions?
all.
Huh?
Yes, sir. I was like, it was taking me time to think about those questions,
Yeah,
to answer those questions.
yeah. But good. Otherwise, you are answering very well. And sometimes you may face this questions like say, you are
Yes,
competing
sir.
with postgraduates, you are only a graduate. Don't feel
Yes,
worked up. Try to tell your points forcefully. समझ
yes,
गया?
sir.
And
Yes, sir.
possibly they can ask about economics questions.
Yes, sir.
Economics. What is GDP?
Sir, it's gross domestic product. It
Gross.
is the final it is the final value of all the goods and services produced within a nation within a fixed time, like for a financial period.
Good. In India, how much percentage of people are depending on agriculture for their living? Roughly.
Sir,
Hello.
it's yes, sir.
How much percentage?
Sir, around 71%.
But here there is a manual they have given. उधर दिया है 58%. I'm not sure about. थोड़ा देख
Okay.
लीजिए. 58%.
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
they are the people directly concerned with that. Maybe what you say is also right. 70 maybe indirect way. Anyhow, थोड़ा agriculture का बारे में भी पढ़ लो and
Yes, sir.
economics का बारे में भी आप पढ़ लो जी. They will certainly
Yes,
ask
sir.
questions relating to. I have not gone into economics like inflation, depression, deflation, recession, etc. वो बात में पूछे. Best wishes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have one request, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, one of my video is already uploaded on YouTube. So, like, I would request you not to upload this video on the YouTube.
No, but this is an excellent video. I can remove that if you want. This has come really well where you have done
Yes,
8.5. This you have
yes, sir.
scored 8.5 and this is a good video. Which question you feel? Some questions you were not able to answer like your
No,
state
it's
government,
not about.
state
No, sir,
government
that's
and
not
all.
a big issue.
Huh? That's not a big issue.
Sir, yes, sir. So, like, sir, if you are, sir, आप बोल रहे हैं कि बाद में हटा देंगे, तो sir, you can keep it for 1 or 2 days, then you can remove it. That will be fine, sir.
Acha. I'll post it for about 2 or 3 days, then remove it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why are you feeling sad? I thought you are a dynamic boy and you seem to be more reserved. Why? No. I am not surprised at this request because I
Yes,
have
sir.
come across cases normally from girls who लोग बोलते देने का. Though so far I have come across 3 or 4 cases. Excellent interviews. I am not able to post because of their request.
Yes, sir.
I don't post if they say so. And in your case, you are a boy, and this is only to create an awareness among people. And if you really
No, sir,
feel it should not, if you really
no,
feel it
sir.
should not be put.
I'm comfortable in getting it uploaded in the YouTube. There is no issue. But sir, there is already one video of mine for FCI interview only.
अच्छा, ओहो.
Yes, sir.
But उसमें इतना अच्छा नहीं किया होगा ना आपने. Have you done?
Sir,
Huh?
sir, I
How
will
many
send you
marks
the
did I
link.
give
You
you
can.
then? How many marks did I give you then?
No, sir. It was you did not take that interview. It was some other person.
अच्छा, some other person is taking. ठीक.
Yes, sir.
How many marks did you give you? That man gave you
Sir, around 8.
around 8. Good. Excellent. Here also same only. And do you have reservation? Should not be put. No. Just Shubham, just think and tell me um, whether it will do advantage for you if I don't put it.
No, sir. There will be no advantage to me.
Then don't worry about it. Let it go
Yes,
on.
sir.
I want an
Yes, sir.
awareness to be created so that later on, if necessary, we can take it out. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, hopefully,
And
I think
no.
you will be.
You must have confidence, and
Yes, sir.
you are not boasting of an excellent performance and all that. It's okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And if you feel like talking again, you can tell me so that I can talk to you. And
Definitely, sir. I will work on the inputs given by you. Then I will again
yeah,
ask you to conduct my interview.
very good. I will do it. I will do it.
Yes, sir.
And at that time, when we post the second one, if the second one is better than this one, we will remove this.
Okay, sir.
That is better. Which, as you say, it is sufficient. We have one. That way, you are done really well. But only thing is, see, every interview cannot be 100% questions known to us.
Yes, sir.
The panel is going to consist of 8 or 10 people, old people, young people, man, woman, professor, director, so many people. वो अपना अपना एंगल में देखेगा प्रॉब्लम को.
Yes, sir.
उस समय पर कभी कभी आपको आसान को आसान मीन्स इजी ना.
Yes,
इजी
sir.
को क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ,
आसान.
आसान. आसान क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं और तकलीफ क्वेश्चन भी आ सकते हैं. समझ गया?
Yes. Yes, sir.
चिंता मत करो. I will rate your performance at 8.5 out of 10. And only thing is, in the interview when you go, I'm sure you will take care of your dressing and all properly. अभी भी
Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
लगते हैं आप. And proper full arm shirt सब पहन के.
Yes, sir. I have to go to the tailor shop.
Yeah, पक्का करना है. And do you
Yes.
believe in having this beard and all?
No, sir.
Beard को remove कर दो. हो
Yes,
सकता
sir.
है तो you normally have mustache? No.
No, sir. I have clean shave only generally.
First class. Best wishes.
Thank you,
God
sir.
bless you. I am
Thank you.
only I'm slightly worried why this boy started feeling that video need not be. But I said, "Jarurat nahi. You can be comfortable, and if you get some comments from your own friends, if some friends are there, tell me, and then we can think about it. Okay."
Sir, actually, I personally, I don't have any problem, but one or two persons like they have advised me because it may create problem in the future if someone from FCICs and all those kind of
You
comments
have
they are there.
not
That's
told.
why.
Hello, that problem will be there only when you talk against FCI. We have never talked anything against FCI. Did we talk?
Okay, sir.
I
No,
was
sir.
very particular in telling about only plus point of FCI. Similarly, we have not gone into the negative aspect of politics of your state or country also. That is not my
Yes, sir.
aspect. I am very
Okay.
careful about that. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Let us see how it goes in the online. If there are no takers, nobody is seeing it, then I'll take it.
Okay, sir.
Best
And
wishes.
sir, I hope you will you will edit this last part of our conversation.
Oh, अच्छा, ये last part तो cut करना है.
Sir, this needs to be done.
No, you mean edit करना है? No.
Yes, sir. After you rated me, we had some conversation. I hope you would also like to remove this part.
Let me see. I have never attempted that. Let me try to see how I can. But okay, let me try to remove the latter portion.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.